At the trailhead for McAfee's Knob in Blacksburg, Virginia. This is some beautiful scenery around. And this is kind of the vibe of what we're getting into right here. Plus, this is a fairly place for hikers, and there's lots of cool people that have been making this trail, possible for hikers. Let's check it out. They leave stuff such as water, granola bars, nicely stocked bathroom, Appalachian Trail National, and we see some hikers right there. And we're about ready to get this party started. Let's go. We decided to take the fire road, which is not as strenuous as taking the Appalachian Trail. The fire road is a moderate incline here. With the most fabulous overlooks you could possibly wish for. Stay tuned. It's beautiful. I love this rock that's here. It almost has look at that. It's amazing. And then all you see is just beautiful farms in the distance. The trail is so well maintained. No, but it's a definitely cool looking rock. Speaking of rock,
I think this is knob right there.
Aren't we here to rock? We came to Virginia to see Metallica play at Virginia Tech, and we get some extra rock on the way. Check it out. For those about to rock. What was the name of my favorite street in Virginia?
Gobbler's Knob.
No, it was not. It was Ferry's
where Boot Street?
No, it was called Ferrystone. This looks like Ferrystone. It's total Ferrystone land. Check it out. How high up were we? We're pretty high up. We're getting there.
(2,140 feet).
All right. I heard him say that it's 165 stories to the top of this thing, but it's not it doesn't really feel like you're going too crazy. I mean, look. More rock. Yes. The elevation is going up. We were sitting here for a second and I heard tree knocks. So we are going to listen for a second and see if we hear them again. Maybe we could see Sasquatch. Maybe that was a bird. Maybe it wasn't Sasquatch. But we are on the lookout. This is an earnest amount of the climb, or an earnest portion of the climb, where we just climbed a lot of altitude. Ugh. And the trees are now more pine. And you definitely see we're getting up there. It's a guitar-shaped puddle. And then we have, right by Salem, I believe, we got some kind of like circle of megalithic rocks going on and some noises in the brush. All the perfect for a horror movie. And my partner has already left me, so I could just be swept up. I'm not wishing for that. I'm gonna go catch up. That is a wall. For what? I don't know. Still hiking. Still elevating. We're hanging tough. We got this. And climbing. We're coming up to something here. This is, I believe, where we changed from the uphill hike into more rocky kind of situation. I think this is an intersection of the Appalachian Trail.
Go another mile. Yay.
Another mile.
I'm pretty good at timing how far I walk.
Here to go.
We've stopped so many times. I was like, I'm not sure how far
All right.
we've gone, but I think we've gone maybe
Let's
3.5
do
miles.
to Skull Rock. Here we go. We did it. The big reveal time. All right, let's see if this place is all it's made out to be. All right. Well, look at that. Holy macaroni. Hey, Doug, go walk over there. You made it. It's beautiful. Now the descent into madness. Skeleton tree and Darth Vader's helmet. Still walking down. No, but for real, you can hear him. Moonshiners chasing away the revenuers. That rock looks ready to slide on off and squish a hiker. We're getting close to parking. It was a beautiful hike.
Give me a show.
Big black butterflies everywhere. Well, let's see if I can catch it.
Right there.
Where?
There on the tree. Several of them. A whole bunch of them up there.
I want to get a close-up. It's very gothic. Very gothic butterflies. Come on. So cool. Very gothic black butterflies everywhere. Made it back on the bridge, walking back to our car and the porta potty. So excited. That was a beautiful hike. Virginia is for lovers for sure. We wonder if like these beautiful like farms and outdoors, if they even know what's coming, like this Metallica concert that's coming. It's gonna be like, I can probably hear it. How many thousands of people are gonna be there?
Like 66,000 for football, so that'd be more like 75,000 for
75,000
70 to 75,000.
are gonna descend on on this little quaint side to see Metallica. All of this beautiful wildlife. Oh my god, look how beautiful it is. It's just like picturesque, like a movie. Imagine having to cut all that grass. Look at that. It's like a meadow. Babe, you would definitely need to have a riding mower. They don't call it a mower here. There's no such thing as mowing. They call it cutting the grass. It's a beautiful day. This is Virginia. It's a whole heck of a lot of this. Beautiful.